umurego wa TVS Murunzi nakutangira wasiba kurunji eshaha zaba ibirzecuro neshaha eyamakuru Agacencwire irizuba nizuba rya Sunday ebiro 8 byokwezi kwa kashatu umwaka ugwe2026 izoberi cyasiba kirgecero cy'abakazi okwetorora ensiyona kandi mu Uganda cyajaguruzibwa ahari kororo grounds muri Kampala amakuru Agacencwire uri kuzaga kusiyaho ikirere Elias Rutugusa kambanze koreka ibikure by'ijabo gebembire rero nabwanyuma ninjaga kuretera umbwijwire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Register Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekurwa Basiga Investment Limited. Kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga.
Refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Pros for mattresses, be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Karim from
Rose Farm, a world of beauty.
Agacencwire kireki okujaguze kiro cy'abakazi basima government ahabwo kubihayo bakabeco kureberaho. Project yo kusyamiza genshe cyo mbyaro bishate tongozibwe neyo kumara ku miliyoni 5 na omureka mwenge
Wangwana busiriba ebeneteganisibwa ibura eryamizi
emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Register Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekurwa Basiga Investment Limited. Kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga.
Refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Pros for mattresses, be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Karim from
Rose Farm, a world of beauty.
ninyongera kutangira omakuru gita Agacencwire kandi urukuzaga kuseho ndi Elias Rutugusa buri mwaka ebiro 8 byokwezi kwa kashatu ensiyona nejaguza ekiro cy'abakazi ekiro kumanywa nka International Women's Day aho mu Uganda ekireki cyajaguruzibwa achai kororo muri Kampala kandi retired Major Jessica Arupon we yajwekera mukuru wihanga mukorogu ogwaba umuri Kampala.
Okujaguza kiro cy'abakazi okwakorerwa mu shayi kororo kwatandika no kurambura enyero z'abashorokara abakazi okurwa mu bitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe ebyo byo kwerinda. Okutambura omunyero nuko kwakurataho aho Lieutenant Kano Asimu yadumira paredi y'erizoba. Minister w'imchone mtwarize Peace Mutuzo yasima government ya Uganda rukwemerwa President Museveni abo kwereza abakazi obugabe kora baketungura. Gwaro kumurwendi 10 omurukiko rwa kabiri rw'ensiyono rw'abakazi babiri bakora omukazi ari kumanywa ka Clara Zeki niwe yarjure yakagamba ko abakazi barukwetenga kujaguza ikiro cyabo buri mwaka kandi okurugobwo oguno murundo gwigane 14 barukujaguza ikireki
to achieve women's empowerment. It is a day that we celebrate the gains that we have made and reflect on the agenda that still remains to be done. We celebrate the struggle, the courage of all the women who are determined, the ordinary rural women who have worked tirelessly to feed their families, to educate their children, to anchor Uganda as a society, because without the family, Uganda does not have a foundation.
No government NRM kozira umurimo muhango kurebuka ngo abakazi batunga ubwawe bwo kushoma kandi bakakora n'emirimo etari yemwe nemwe kunka haciroho buzubwamani omubishya barukushera bakiri bato hamwe n'emishango y'ubutabanguko bwo mumaka etarukuraturwa.
Many of us have earned on a silver plate. The women has earned with struggle, with caucusing, with engagement. And therefore, at the heart of this has been education for the girl child. I think majority of us seated here today, if not for education, we will not be where we are. So at the center of that is education and economic empowerment for women, which we have achieved much.
Umukoro gugwa kwa enganzi yanga Ruben na Nabanja ishabara muzi Dr. Flavian Zija wabirenganzi yanga Mbabazi hamwe no mukazuye General Kareke Yuhura hamwe n'abembezo ku rugombe tongore bitaro mwe na bumwe. Retired Major Jessica Rupo owajokera mukuru w'ihanga yakurusiya bakazo kwikaciro cyabo noko kushoma ubutumwa bwa mukuru w'ihanga.
In 1986, when the NRM came to power, we were able to observe that although women formed more than 50% of the total population of 14 million Ugandans, their full potential was not fully realized on account of their lack of education, lack of opportunities, chronic ill health, and early death. Women were trapped in a very disadvantaged position.
Yagira ngo kurugena remetwaro bwebembezi abakazi batungira bwo gisaburu kumara kandi bayabwa no mugisha gwo kuzombwebembezi.
An opportunity to recognize and celebrate the significant role played by women and girls in our families, local communities, and the country at large. I therefore want to thank you all for using this occasion to highlight the contribution of women and girls in all the spheres of life.
Gasha kwa Christopher Imbiswe.
Webare Christopher Himbisubwe twagomeza mu namakuru abashije mu district y'Isinjiro bashabirwe okushajika bakazi babo rero babase gukora ebirije kutungura maka okushabuku kwahebwayo Reverend Father Professor Patrick Mbyemire owayibembere kitambo cha misa ahakujaguze ekiro cy'abakazi ahabwa parishe yakakoma.
Reverend Father Professor Patrick Mbyemire, Vice Chancellor University of St. Joseph's, yatabarusiya abakazi ekiro kikuru cyabo kandi yasime ntunguka yibayikizo mu ihanga no mu maka gabo.
Speaker, ba MPs, ba ministers, revenue universities, the University of Gamba, Yambara University, neyemererwa omukazi. Nanyaka University kayikanje kadyoni kakura munonga kubagamba University of St. Joseph. Enamba y'abakazi ombwebembezi ni pan. Kandi umubejiyo ebengeserizi abishikeno bakirabo.
Oguyashaba abashayija okushajika abakazi n'amaka gabo ngo bakore ntunguka kutari gukora ibyo kubatuntuza.
Kongamaze magari mutwaha ombwebembezi witu twabateriwe bakazi abo kubana bo banyeneka nibo bokorora abana nibo bakubaheka nibo atendebe nibo bakwatorana na mashobero kandi bo kwimuka kare bakakorendera umuriro uzimaze matushimigire kubahereza obugabe bwingi bwo kubasa kuza amakaditu
bakumaniriza omukigombe mu nchiko mu mikoro yona twabeshengeza ngume mbikiriza abo kuba muhero nimwe muri kugobamo umukazi ko kwija yagira iki yayigano yaje yakukorera hatiwe usinike kino usheka ubaje okande umutakumanya yakihaha.
Mukuru w'ekigombe cya Muchwa omuri parishe yakakoma yashaba abakazi okwatanisa n'abashija babo.
Omukazi yaje asikire yayega yakwata nibasa kumugasera obuje ko mwareba hariya bukozwa bakazi ba bweyora ba chempara zone kandi babwekorire
ni mbatera umuranga abakazi mwena ahori oryo mukazi nyineka ni mfutera umuranga okwimuka okakora okimuka okakora ni mukono yawe
Ediska kama wabariyo mugenyi mukuru hino butumwa buyahereza abakazi
wari kugira uti nakora umurimo gwanje utati ni mukakora kandi oketa mukama utimpereza umurimo w'ugunaza gukora ukore kandi no gukora in the name of Jesus no gukora kora heza ugire discipline
all women everywhere stand up and embrace.
Amukorogu abakazi basimarhanga kandi bayoleke ibintu ebibarukora n'imikono yabo ogisireho kuhereza abashija babe brabo Umugandi makuru okurugo mu district ya Lyantonde habaho kujumirira n'imicenjano y'amaka kandi ebyona byabahirwa rokasambya umuryantonde omukuzindukira abakazi abazire ogisireho nabakateyamba okujaguze kiro kikuru cy'abakazi.
You should learn to respect women. You men who are exploiting women outside there, you should learn how to love them. Temuba kuba temuchobora dembe lyabwe muyino okukakasa nti abakyala babakwata bulungi
okujjukira abachild mothers abali ku kitongole kyaffe ekyagekule era ne banenuku ddwaliro lya Ntonde hospital because bamama bayita mu buzibu bungi nga bagenda okuzaala.
Ebihembo ebyahabwayo kuhera abantu aba harimo sanitary pads, ebijwaro bya burishika, sabuni, omwonyo, sukali n'ebindi bingi ebirikwejunisibwa mu maka.
Galanti buli abana kye tubagamba tubenga tukituukako ng'ate bakikola. Tugezaako nnyo okuba practical nga bwe kisoboka. So ensonga lwaki tuzze wano e Kasambya tudonatingidde abakyala abatuzaala bamaama
bataata abali wano tugamba emirundi emeka kati obwana buno butusoomozesa tuyige naffe okukola ki okugamba bwe tujja okukola ki manya ntukunaliza okuzaala basabumoni eza kumuyamba ankyongedde okuzaala
obuhwezo nibushagikwa empabuhwezi ku rugo mu Green Bliss ahansi y'omuramwa gw'ihanga ogwa Give to Gain. Ndisande William na Aidan Bataringaya ahabwa TV West.
Mwebare abanyamakuru bitu omuri Bushenyi abahinji b'amajano batahirire factory yabe ya Igarati Growers bitu abanduze okuzibirwa okutaha mu kucika konka bwa nyuma bizire bahwerwaho RDC bikirizibwa okuza mu kucika abantu betombwitwa ngo hariho ba mafia abari mu factory ji abajugwisize kandi nangwa ngo no bakozesa na kuba office.
Abahinji b'amajana bari kwegitira mu factory ya Igarati Growers bakira factory kwetaba umurchiko rubire rwese rwe chairman wabo beite cyena kuba banduze kuzibirwa kutahama.
Buja yiwe sam oguno mukozi wawe natujyangu wa muryango wa Kingo izimiya rubega polisi y'amajyango mutigura hona ose
ekireseraho munyuruzano nikwe assistant RDC wa Bushenyi Matia Katoni kwija beite nabo bakabanza kumuzibira nabwanyuma bakikirizeba.
RDC no kukingira na heyo nyoni mubuza ogwamje ngo akinge ono kaba kugaba si RDC bachinga RDC usaka bagaya no kukingira na heyo kani mubuza ya muryango akinge hono
aba babanduze kugamba ahakiriyo n'ikita factory yabeje
muri yenyuma ya dini numugira ngo abakaturici babire ba director baba binji mwasigazaho omwe nimwe tubakuzaho n'urukiko rwa court of injunction nicyo cyarutireho noro cyarutaho ni yeje nsonga
bamwe hona bagira ngo bodeji orwire bwayo bukahoyo kandi obutahindura kutahwensya nicyongera kugwisa factory age
tubayirame amajana mezi ena etanu tumutoreza na sirinjigana Mombasa ne banyaga kuri ne banyaga mutoma jana gitu resta tugatware ne basanga Mombasa nta yikizo kunkana cyo tucumanye na urana mugamba chairman yatugambira sente tugurize sente yemwe na sirinji mwenda konka ati utateka bya Rwanda ne basaguzisa twenke guzere zingayi egabuzere zinga mbahinji
chairman wa board obabire bakimutaka kumu hine byagambira hanshongese
kugira ngo chairman
agende nyoni nkagende 2017 niyo mwansira nimwe mwankomira kurinda tahi ati mwe muti umuhanda murungi ogutura base kwata bodeje tukagikwase ensi tukagikwase ibintu tukatambura tukagenda mbe nico mwakora nano muteso mbe nico mwakora bideye kuza kugira ngo tuturuza factory terutunga amajyane samu yaceri chairman murete omuntu uturaho bwa chairman ni amini to body turateho tutambure tukindi
nani mbashaka mutugarire mitum turebe factory yitweje factory eji nekiraburyo nko muri yitwe tina kubasa kucira factory eji konka kutweterana tubona kuba ba factory eji so nani mbashaka turgo muri cunda nyugunyu turgo muri zanangende tugarike turebe musiri yitu
nubwo abahinji n'abakozi barabe nibetombitira factory eji ahubwo butafashashura konka harimo n'amabanja mingi ogisireho n'emishango ejwiro mu makoti
omazima bakomere batemikono tubakagirye eji company factory yitu na assets za yebintu byayo byona board zireza harigireho zikabisinga bank zajya ngo n'icyo mu rugura nacyo n'cyaki n'cyananga n'cya DFCU bank hatro bwakwaje tumugere mu kwate kibira cyamukereze nambwe no bank shayona negwa
mwana mwana mutugarukane kuno jamu nabashasha yaryani nga timu yo ubareba yohereza omushango gumwatireyo bareke kujya ngo ninshumbuza we nkabakaba muri nyine omushango gumwatireyo mugwiheyo rero tugumize munane ya business ya company
embaje zombi ntishabwo kwatanisa abwe ntunguka yabona gashakwa Onesimus Ndianabo
webare Onesimus Ndianabo twagumizamu na namakuru ngo muringo gumwe ogo kusyo buhereza bw'amizi marungi omubyaro abebembezi batungwizeho project eyo kutandaka kombe kamizi genshe cyo mubyaro ebitwire byine ekizubu cy'amizi ebina nebindi bibire omugombora eyabo serva omuri district ya Kamwenge
na LC3
project ya mizeji ejenderire kwera abatoro ku rugo mbyaro bishatu ebitwire n'uburemezi bw'amizi mabi omucyangeki.
Going to the pump station site, we have seen where we are going to put the pumps. We shall have a pump house, we shall have a guide house, we shall have a solar system that will run the pump, about 15 panels. We shall have a transmission line coming from the tank, from the pump station to the tank.
The ministry remains committed in working together with the district, government partners, especially Water for People, and communities to ensure that every Ugandan can access safe water, especially in Kamenge district.
Ebyarebi biromu bunoga NB hamwe n'ababurama kandi abatura n'abembeze nibagirangwa mizaga ngije kwera cyangwa kurwana sendwara ezibirene zo rugomu kunyamizi mabi
ibiri yo mu cyekeki nembera eyibura eryamizi kumara kire karingwa icyeke cyabonoga zone nangwa na busiriba ebeniteganisibwa ibura eryamizi muri cyekeki icyabonoga zone abonoga E bonoga B na nyaburama babeni batunga mizi ninga huta sosi yabo babeni batunga mizi ku rugarutindo urwa mpanga babeni biyamizi konka ko benoza kucondo ushanga kandi ni haruga mu burwire na munonga wazo marwaro statistics zereka ngo bucye kabiri na butano kuzo mu cyo kama 13 abantu ni batunge ndwara zikomoka umizi agatari marunji
meza kwa turasenga yo kunywa baturanywa mizi gerya abisharara ushanga ente batemyente ushanga no mutuza ari kwihamu kai n'abana bitu batagira bobira bakuzayishemera speed abishonga ya mizi bimwe nasima munonga project eji eyayije muri busiriba hakwa abana bitu baza kwega
amizaga nagija kombe kwa bitongore cya Water for People abarukutebwa mu center ba Chawute Water ubwe bakwatanise na government okurabiransi ya district ya Kamwenge kandi nagija kumaraho miliyoni 5 ina.
Expectations from this project is one, to have water brought closer to the people. We expect people to have clean and safe water, improve their livelihood, create more time for children to go to school, the girls, the women to do other work.
Abebembezi borekere mu project egineje kongera cyango akutungura buherezo mu cyangeki.
Ngenda kusima Water for People. Nesima tinyina hakugarukira abo kuba Water for People eteire sente nyingi muno mu Kamwenge.
Gasha kwa Anthony Twine
webare Anthony twino murebi witu wa TV Sto Murungi ni ngusima aho kuturebera hona kandi webare na kutorana kureba TV West turiyo makuru Agacencwire konka naza kubanza mpomureho ni ingaruka n'amakuru gandi
Movit Relaxer Cream brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
Agarukurataho efuzo shatagwize bya senior yakana abuzurwe fizi yo kweyonzerayo omurushema
nyine uho kubaza kumutoza ngo aze kushoma.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batumu kidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma. Tugumiseze shanki ibiri.
Bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukazakunyombo.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekere nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Nembogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweju District barakira beja bojona beshiki okwija kushoma certificate y'obunasi nursing certificate y'obuzalisa midwifery diploma y'obunasi extension diploma y'obuzalisa extension itende chole handisiwe mu bwijire omu ministry y'obwegesi nemizano kandi na center number okuruga mu Unimap itende chero ginentani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batende kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kuriya biri fresh kuruga mu farm zitendekero abeje bona baratunga buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwo abeje kushoma kurunje abeje barashoma certificate barashasha sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma sirinje miliyoni 1.40 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju mushanju ni 5 mushanju ni 3 ikumineo excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Otwiro inechetengo cyo kushoma bunasi obuzarisa Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika umuri cyamugoranyi hari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetungiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kuri ni kugenda umisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju 8 mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal
Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nubagaruka ya hishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi abo washota kutwara icweka cha fiza hishomero rya junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abwa chita kushashura ntukozesa MoMo no tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konkana bwono basa kushabaroni ya fees obwe namashomera gacejumbire ndige basa kwangura school van
namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa MoMo na vani yishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaroni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa MoMo app.
Ekiro kikureki yetungire Altar Wine ya St. Peters. St. Peters Altar Wine ekozirwe mu mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisibwe kurungi kukozesibwa mu maramizo. St. Peters Altar Wine neyo mutindo murungi kandi ekozirwe ahabwawe nanye. St. Peters Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa mu maduka gono mu ihanga ryona. Okumanya berukiraho tera not mushanju ibiri mukaga yebera kukiraho tera note mushanju ibiri mukaga note ina itanu narishi note mushanju ibiri mukaga mushanju itanu ina emwe.
Reka nkwanjurira Ibanda Secondary School. Ibanda Secondary School ni ishomero ry'abojo erukushangwa Kagongo Division Ibanda Municipality. Rirya hamusingwe Kereziya kandi ryebemberwa abanyadini aba Brothers of Christian Instruction. Nitwebembezo kutina ruhanga okubaje kwa beji ebyo bwegese ni class ya higuru kandi ombye mzano tino rukutwingana. Nitsima abazire abeji abegesa nabebembezi bishomereri abo kora kurunje bigezo ebyihanga buri mwaka. Okwika rurengo rw'ihanga ombye mzano nka football, volleyball, chess na basketball kandi bakayikana rurengo rwa East Africa ombya debate. Nitsima old boys ahabo kukunda no kuhagira ishomero bakatwombekere cyayi cyo murembe kandi ntubakira habo bye mzano yabo eri kuza kuhendera ishomere birabiro na kimwe kwa kasha 2026 turiyo ntitebekanisa kujaguza myaka nkaga kwihishomere ritandika ronchi nebiri 12
omukwa mukaga 2026
ikintu cyo kunywa
aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwana mazumo rya hano bari bategerize mu mbagano bangwe shazakire wansuko mu motoka riyo nenyusi yo gwija hakunywa
mucyara unam utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano shoka mufundurira kahurire
Wakamwana tera chairman wembaga atongeze binako kishahemu ito twe tuyo tuno diplomat akatuka kanusira hanga wanje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara nabagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende nabagine nintere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha entangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamibwa ba UNPS.
In this sacred month of Ramadan, we reflect, we pray, we give, and we rest. As you observe Suhoor and stand in Tarawih, may your nights be filled with Sakina, your du'as be accepted, and your heart overflow with shukr. Let resting on rose-foam mattresses be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Kareem from
Rose Farm, a world of beautiful dreams.
Kuruka yoko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi omakora Agacencwire ageshwekeki abikiriza Kristo bahijirwe okugire mbabazi okukira munongo mbwiro bo bwitsibo babane benda ngo kusiba kwabo kubabera uko mugasho.
Ebi n'ebindi bigambwa Reverend Father Bernard Kwebiho muwezi wa bwana mukuru wa Kakabara Parish obwabire ibembire kitambo cya misa Kereziya ya Kako Catholic Church omutawuni ya Kyegegwa.
Turabizwa mu mwije tangirweki kunubwire kwembabazi ngurahanga ikarategera konoyi ayikararangira abantu amaiso twangirwa bwangu urwo mubiri no kusembera nambera tukera nambera watufira wewe twantukora.
Omu kitambo cya miseki habire muno kusima kwa Leonora tenyi kandi abire nasima negenderwa cyo kombeka Bethlehem kandi ogwajagwize n'amazarwa g'emyaka 8.
Abote simire mukama ayebale muno kubangaza kandi nasima na bingi bya kampura nasima na nebizwe binatungire na birama ya binda bya mu busingi ninsaba abana bato n'abagenzi bantu tuyongere kusaba mukama ukobuye kwata na wakubirya
kugiya mu Kereziya Bethlehem ebiye byekwato tubyetaga na muno umwiri guhika amazaro ga mukama Yesu Kristo no kusanga Yesu Kristo hayazalirwe no kusanga ubwiri Bikira Maria naye nara ne kyato kente kiturantugama ngo Bikira Maria kazara Yesu Kristo Bethlehem mu kindi kente nebi byona nibisanga biri mu Bethlehem.
Eric byamukamo mushemesa we Kereziya ya Kako na jango mkikurogure wonora kihayo kore Kereziya
mukayikuru gwakolire Kereziya mukayikuru gwatekanirize Kereziya mukayikuru itwe na kugenda kuzarwa tumusangire na akoro mu Kereziya
ekikuru mu Kereziya ya abatani Bethlehem beteremo kiba kigiki n'umwana zabo n'umwijiko asante beteremo kiba kiyokururaho kirangiyange kiyokururaho.
Father Kwebi hayongere yahiga bikirizo mu Kristo koresa myaka yabo nkarewonora.
Nyamuremo salama geze myaka y'indorero mu ingana nayo. No ingana nayo mu tumanisiwa mukama bwana ko ingana nayo kigirisi.
Omuganda makuru obwensiyonera kujaguze kiro cy'abakazi omuruka bare Sentom Parish yakateta abakazi basha bakora imyoga yabo no kurwana so butabanguko bwo maka. Ahari kabare Sentom Parish yakatete Reverend Father Maheshe Jean Pierre yashaba abakristo kugira amakagara mu businge.
Omukazi w'ubucuruzi niwe arinda amaka. Omukazi w'ubucuruzi niwe arinda amaka. Omukazi okwenda kubutungura nashisha amaka. Ntabwo icyo ibigambo ebyo biteka tikyo. Okuba omucuruzi tikumanya ngo omushaija kuba na ampana.
Mane izoba ya Women's Day tuba celebrating ogogo mukazi. Oba kuhereza itakankeri akatahibyo kurya akatahortoche akarugumu kushaka omushije arikusigaye ya bombekera akazi kakafuha bakakora bakatunguko kashanga bine za grofa omukazi oba kuhereza kachimbuzemwe ukashanga ine muzigana ubwo n'umukazi wo tucelebrating omukazi wiba arukufa akamutsigira ubwana butonkeze shaho kashanga hati agura ayine ba graduates.
Abashija bashabwe kumanya imyoga yabo maka no kureka kutuntuza abakazi.
Ekikuru cy'amani omumaka kikwasa kabwa abantu no kuwatanisa no bwesi icyo cy'amani kinkureba twayiza kuri icyo ni impamya takuza kuba obutaba mukubona omumaka gitu.
Abakazi nimbasha bamuhereze abasiza banyu ebitinisa muhereze abasiza banyu ebitinisa mukunda abasiza banyu mukunde abana banyu gira obwire bw'omusiza wawe nko mukazi gira obwire bw'omwana wawe.
Ndi Anita Tukunda na Felipo Murangira.
Mwebare abanyamakuru bitu twagumuzamo n'amakuru abakugokuru mu bitongore bitaro bimwe na bimwe bahabwire bakuru bazasako omuri district ya Shema okureba ngo batamane minji omukushomesa ba memba babo okushubura bakatunga sente nyinji rero bakarugumu bworo ebabgambire izuba ryanyuma bazyo omurukiko rwabona orwa Mahamesako orubire aharima ya Gardens omuraka bohe omuri municipality ya Shema.
Chairman wa boda bwa Muhamesako Reverend Canon Robert Kanchiroho agire ngo kushomesa ba memba babo ahashonga yo kushubura barukozesa sente za loni ni kimwe abintu bakozise na mani
services.
Muhame amyaka ya 25 okwegesa ba memba bakamanya kwebikira bakamanya yabwacho umuntu ushemeye kubika bakamanya bwache umuntu ashemeye kugura emigabo akamanya nangwa na kwara atware roni ngwashemeye kubagishashwira mu bwiro mu buteka
anareba abantu batwaza lone nyingi for commercial purposes and agriculture na ni encouraging management ya sako na border kuija ngo ba intensify njoko about financial literacy and financial education mukisenteze kumuraza tunje mwazi yo musako muzikoseje kurenguza ko tamagoba mengi kuchera agoza kushashira musako.
Dennis Kugonza Kateba ol commissioner wa URA kandi ojwekire commissioner general URA agizire mu government okusasira za sako emishoro kishemerire kuziyamba kuhera abantu okugayigahara
amagoba ganyu taruho mushoro agumukutunga musako zona numuzobagana muzikosoko mu rukwenda konke kirunje government egobamu no kurenga buri yomu atunga sente za sako watunga karoni yakakozesa bisi yagende mu meisho aho ntutwiho mushoro.
Manager wa Muhamesako Amon Namara ayanjurire ba memba okubanke kozire kurungi okukora amagoba ga billion 3 no bucweka bona
wano heza school fees ko kija kujum banka kugira ngo girira ini manenje banks yemero wawe usindike sente asumu ukeza kuzoteka mwana mu ishomero zo mu mashomera abo mwana tumuhereza kode ejo waheza kuziteka muri umuzire usindike sente za account kandi na ishomero immediately
in the wisdom of government it adopted the idea
it embraced it. And by embracing this idea, the Honorable Minister for Trade, Industry and Cooperatives was tasked to give 2 responses to Cabinet.
Banki hindura bebembezi no kuronda board ensya kandi media chatire ni waronzirwe nka chairman wa board omutsi.
Tindu kuza kubaheka amabega konka tuza kutambura hamwe. Tinye ngo kubaheka konka ni imanya tuza kutambura hamwe urugendo turugenda hamwe. No muntu mugwanyi kora mistake aheri no muntu mugwanyi kuro muhanda murunji go kutora tukagugenda hamwe. Ecanje no kubebembera nkabatonda the right direction.
Banka ya Muhame omugechi area niyo the best banka niyo banka nunji nyamurunji abo kubanga tandikana yo omwaka gwa 2022 na gumwe kandi kwirobwe nganyirwa mu bintu bingi ninyaguza muroni
tukozire amagobanka sako ga biliyoni 3 na miliyoni 830 izo nzo twayanjura abantu kandi abantu batesha.
Banka ya Muhame obwate ino bwiyiga bwa loan eziri kwingana biliyoni 5.2 sente zikozirwe biliyoni 2.7 shares ni biliyoni 10 kandi ine nabambembe mitware 9. Amakuru agaga kushakirwa Abraham Muganzi.
Webare Abraham Muganzi twagumizamu na makuru omwejo wahereze kushataguza ebya senior yakana bamwihiro mu ishomero ahabwo kubura school fees. Eline takihayo ya biology dero aganda mashomo yihayo B kandi wakwananda kumuyamba nabasa kurabira hasumu ya 0 3 55 eriyo mazina ga Betty Batamuriza.
Linet akankwasa okuruganya kambu mu masheruka Shema district no wariyo narondora mukwase akeyongera yo kushoma bwanyuma yanyina kimuzara na nyine nkuru kizarishe okushitama bakikirizana ngwa komaho nderu nabandi bahiko musiniya yakana nge yaherze
nanyakuru wanje kabire nashashura hafizi mama wanje no kabire nampeza ukatebere sente zikababura Empeza senior 4 birengenda ko yongera erevo ukabanja ngo sente tuzarabasike wenishitame ndinde mpaka usarabure byo kushoma mbekeho.
Ayitugerire kukira amasheruka tushangire Lineti yahise 2013 ari kusiba ngo bundi ruhanga akamuyamba tungo buhwezi bwo kumwongera yo kushoma
kabire niyongera yo konkaro batubanje bankurati se wanzana ishitama barinda nabo banze bashikanika wenda nabo bakabasa kucecho yamba kuko sente kusarabure twena twahise ni afronte
isheku yafiri yare bayanshubira kunkaka mumpira gizake abeni akwini wako senta umwana mutambikira kuno bonanye mutambika yo rukunyi mbweni kuyafire narundo kuntera ho yakora
bwanyuma yishe kufa omunyamba bazacara akamutwara y'ishomero rya St Francis Buhunga High School Rukunjiri aho nyina na nyine nkuru babire bakwatanisa kushashura emitware 5 yona konka nazo gabire garya mino ga ruguru
momperi sente aso imweni ntorenga omwana no muri namagara naganye ko mbweni hato mwana wanje ugati
konka kandi kizube kiryaho cyangwa nabona nazihayo tinyine uho kubaza kumutoza ngo aze kushoma so nicyo cyese na result zenta akazihera kibyo mukashitani
nkabinyenda mwongere yo konka mani mbwe ninde bagabaga naye sente zande ninteraho byanga
Lineti akiyayo ya biology ndera gandi mashomo yiyayo B kandi wakuba nayenda kumuyamba abasa kurabira asime ya note mushanjwina 3 kandi eji eriyo mazina ga Betty Batamuriza nyina gasha kwa Michael twachire omurushema
webare Michael atwachire ni twentongerayo irakaryitu nkerizuba okucakiriye kiro cy'abakazi ntongerayo iraka abanyamba bazibona okureba ngo bayamba Linet yagumizamo na nemishomo ye twazagaruka tuhumureho tugaruke n'amakuru agandi
katochi erino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi okurugerizo babantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nakwa hamutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi erino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi erine chama chayo muhuje katochi yerya mutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
noyendebero byanyense birungi ahabwo umwana wawe Chinon High School ero kushangwa haruguto rwambara kabare nico kigarukwa mu cyawe bino bwegeso bumutindo bine ona A level omashomaga arts na sciences enshomesa yabo netebana na curriculum mwensia programs zabo nizitebekanisa beji okwika kurunje buzo no kurengaho bakaba basinguzi ombyamagara agabwa nyuma ye class Chinon High School bine ibiciro ry'ibitabo library ejiro bwenje obwo kubuture byo kucondoza abeji okoshomera habwa bonka laboratory eri kwera abeji okangahanga bisya nebyoga abashomesa batendekirweje kandi behireyo ahabwo businguzi bwa beji
okwandika beji nikugenda omisho Chinon High School neshangwa Rwampara aharugutonye jendwa orwambara rakabare hihi na Rwampara District Headquarters esimu notu mshajoti 2 chinana nemwe chenda nishatu 13
Mommy,
yes,
at school abana babane everyone crunching
nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
dabye mbaga ya dad
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire echo shua
kansinage bampacking iresa
honey mwana muwe get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugenda misho tera enamba zesimu 0772 9 0
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Ishomero chebembira gandi gona omu 2026 ni St Karemba Secondary School Villa Maria nirishomesa abojo n'abishiki kandi bine day na boarding abashomesa batendekireje ebyo kurya no buraro bwabeje bibonire mnonga ishomero ryo mu mwanya gweherire ekiri kubasabeje okukora kurunje mbigezo byabo ishomereri riyinde na washing machine ekiri kumanyisa ngo abeje tebari kuteganisibwa kozi emyenda abana nibegesibwa kutina ruhanga kandi bacebembiro mu kutwara midari yo kushomora rumirwo rujamani St Karemba Secondary School nirishangwa Villa Maria omu district ya Karungu. Kwenda kumanya biri kukiraho tera note mushanju note 5 nkaga na 8 nkaga ni 5 chinana na mkaga note mushanju note 4 5 ni 5 chinana na mwenda 24.
Yantore School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abahiriza sini ya kanane ya mkaga
kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarusa na lab technology omwejero kwenda omwanya oshemere kubushyikiro kubara n'orujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe kwenda kushoma diploma oshemere kuboine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire emyaka 2 mu field buri mweji nahawe umugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera umugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills nabyo bitakwibiri basaries zikiruho mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa rya ntonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kuma ibiri kukiraho terano tumushanju 8 mukaga nshanju ni 3 nshanju ni 5 ashatu na 4
best friend waffe MTN yo yaddala gamba nti best friend MTN yo yaddala nnyo
tutandikidde Kampala naye tugenda mu ggwanga lyonna nga tugaba school fees wa mwaka mulamba
twebaza omukama okuba nti nno atuwadde omukisa guno ate ne MTN okuba nti esasulidde omwana fees ez'omwaka omulamba ebe tutikudde omugugu era kuba sente ezo ziba nyingi nnyo
sasula school fees ng'okozesa MoMo onyiga star emu mukaaga 5 star 80 hash ng'osasula school fees w'omwana wo essomero nga liwangula school van nawe bw'oba kwegamba nga embeera ekukuttemu ng'ofuna school fees loan weewaawo.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent land. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Mwami, waza kurgaho yejeko. Hona mazima nyowenka banda. Reba musuru gwanje kugurukusha. Agarahanga taro cintatiro musuru gwebichorogo. Burchiri sachona nchitiremu. Murana kavumu ngabaze nyona avumu kasheshe. Konka reba musuru gwa murano rebo gwanje. Nkakugambira ngo mukakapere nandoga konka wayanga hatu wachireba.
Hata bichoni byo bikuteze nduru no yabantameno mo yabawe bichori mukakapere mushanje nakosije musa cha crop champion taro umuhinjo migando arukweza atakosije musa cha crop champion umuhinjo wen kosije musa cha crop champion abashubuzi muchanje a Joseph Farm Supplies a Kings Plaza omishoga Coppers Complex eduka namba G1 ejimuset nishango maduka gona omwihanga crop champion the farmer's best choice.
Some things don't arrive. They've always been.
You see, every day that I wake up, I am more than what you see.
Not for a day, for all of time.
We don't merely gaze outward, we birth new worlds.
Until quietly, something shifts.
We are the ones we've been waiting for.
Seeing.
Find your tribe.
Recognizing.
Speak each other's name in praise.
Becoming.
Every time I made a leap of faith, I jumped afraid.
Moving from someday to now. Women are not honored in time. They are woven through it. Shaping every story, every voice, every breath.
The privilege of a lifetime is being who you are.
We are because she is. And because tomorrow they will be.
kuruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamu na namakuru agecyo kachite cyaha maheru empanura z'obusinjo mu district ya Kasese abebembezi nibenda habeho nkwatanisa hagati y'enganda amadini hamwe na nabebembezi
Omulingo gumwe gukutaho obusinjo mu kyanga kya Rwenzori abebembezi kurwa mu district ya Kasese nibenda ngo habeho nkwatanisa hagati y'enganda 3 eziri mu kyanga eki.
Kasese district is one of the districts that has faced a lot of conflicts, and this is due to the diversity in cultures, because we have the Bakonzo, the Basongora and the Banyavindi, all who claim to be the sole owners of most of the parts of Kasese.
Inganto tunakuhaburaho abebembezi betu abamu bakutwebembera arubajo bwenzarwa obutukurana bukuba hati obwiro butuli mutu bukusana ko bwiro bwakara akairekanu itwensingante bintu bitukozesa ebitugaita muno kusinga kutwakanizamu.
Ebi bigambirwa mu rukiko rw'okutaho obusinge orushitamira aha gombora ya Chondo omuri Bukonjo East rwebembirwe Refugee Project Uganda obwekikwatanise na Rwenzori Peace Bridge of Reconciliation omu bagambira aha nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe.
Eminyeto bine kusitama bakamanya ngo yes, this person is of different tribe, no orugando rundi ningana kabire ndizo konka isenkuru n'ubwarabe aine kiyatu cyagize itonka bato abarkwengana barwingano ndeka tuwe ebyabiriho nyuma.
Reverend Ezra Nyongera Mukonjo or coordinator wa Interreligious Council twongire kugamba nawe ahanshongeje
bino mugisha barakureta obusinge kandi rero yebebune kigambaje ino barayeto abana boha abaruhanga nikimanyisa bino mu cyeno mbweno abari kubisaba ntuki obusinge kumurayenda kumurakunda abarukusomba Bible musome Matayo 5 orumwenda bino mugisha bine migisha barakureta obusinge biza kwetwa abana boha abaruhanga.
Gasha kwa Christopher Himpsibwe
webare Christopher Himpsibwe twagumuzamu umuhuru iyo kwiyamurikira izuba ryo kujaguze kiro cyamizo munsi yona aba ministry y'ebyamizi na n'ubuhangwa batandikire empaka zo kuronda bishi abarukuza kugambera remeromo eyo kurinda ibyo buhangwa.
Abishya bari hagati y'imyaka 18 ku ikari ya 35 ku rwo muri district za Burenge bw'izoba nibabetabira mu mpaka zo kuronda Miss Climate Change abwe cyanga cya Burenge bw'izoba kandi aba babire nibabuzi bwo kuba kubasa kurinde byo buhangwa na mnonge migerane bishara.
So now that means if you hear there is a Save River Raising campaign, show up. Sometimes you'll be like, okay, I really don't have the facilitation for that kid, but you're showing up and showing that interest. You never know.
Most of us really showed interest in this, and for us as Miss Climate or organizers, it is really showing that as we keep organizing this, it is a platform for learning. Because I know most of us here might have come when we had prepared this, but there are new things that at least we have learned from each other.
Empakezi tebekanishibwa ba Ministry y'ebyamizi n'obuhangwa bakwatanise n'ekitongole cya African Tourism and Environment Initiative kandi abici bashatu nubo baraje kere Burenge bw'izoba mu mpaka z'akamaririzo muri Kampala ayibararitane nabishya abantu ku rugombyanga bindi
obwiye bumaze hande benisavinga amani amengu n'abageteka social media kuzimbeka social media platform enye strong reaching out to many youths to participate in climate action. Simplifying information about climate change. Information is wingi ya climate change bagireta mbigambe mmere y'abantu abatakuja kwendegereza
nyewe kinatandike izo kuza umbantu bagambire how climate change is how it is affecting our lives, how it is affecting our livelihoods and the future generation. Omurama gw'omwaka ogu nigujja Climate Action, Water and Environment for an Inclusive and Prosperous Uganda. Omugandi makuru emyeto muri shemwera bwirwa ku rwomarwa no mechakaro kureka baze kora bwentunguka ya nyenchakare ebigambiro bw'akakiko k'emyeta kakuru muri shema kabenkara hizibwa.
Start earning and you even mobilize your fellow youth to participate. We have the PDM. It is not segregative that this is a youth. It is actually targeting everyone. So be innovative and engage in those programs.
If you see these people not coming to you for consultation, then you know that they are not working. Because what they are to bring here is directly from you.
Emnyete bembirwe medad bariyera hizibwe bitubore cyo kushasha nshonga zo kugaba imirimo muri shema.
Umwana wa shema yijana advertising is first priority. First priority. Wana la DC na kawa. At least na ngoto jeng qualifications yana meeting ga. Abuji batakufa asa dimension sabaga mo. It's
not a job.
service or serving abantu bakora kuba service mwigureho company ubwebe bizobo ni mubayaga gukora because you have information that other people don't have ashinoza kukaburoda abantu bayiho ngoro igotageyire
bagambire nashonga za PDM ahemnyete nagirwe
yakachiko ka national finance executive bongere funding umwisraeli because the program yombi mu government imijya kubasabwe kuza kabibendezika
amakuru agasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif na Michael Atwachire
mwebare abanyamakuru bitu twazo makuru agebyemizano empake zo murundo gwi13 eza Jovok Open zihendire nyeciro out team eyabishchi eyandeje SS nane yaboje ya Elite High School zisingire chikopo omu finals ezibire ari St Joseph's Vocational School muri Nyamitanga aho mu Rembo rwambara team eza mashomero agaru kurengo muri 30 nazo zibezetabiro mu mpakezi
Final yabishchi eyempaka za Jovok Open Basketball Tournament niyebandizeho kandi ndege secondary school yasingirwa Mary Hill High School mu final yo mwaka guhwire basingire chikope cyo murundo rwabo gwa kabiri bwanyuma yo kufitira Exodus College mu zakamaririzo ahabwo babero na bitana hari 18 nabwanyumeza bojo nazo zikurasireho aho Elite High School eyegarize chikope cyo murundo rwa kabiri ye kuratanise bwanyuma ya timu yabe ya Elite A okusinga Elite B ahabwo bikomina mukaga hari 14 kandi no mwaka guhwire timu zombi nazo zashikira mu finals abatebekanisa basimira amashomero agahitabiro mu mpakezi nuko koreka ngo ziriyo zikurakurana kandi wabireho kamishana w'ebyemizano mu ihanga Danta Mwesigere ahigira amashomero okugumana ibikereza beji okwejombero mu byemizano
And for us teachers who are in these various schools, don't deny these young men and women the chance to play.
As Jovok, wish you the things that are going away, wish you your masses. Keep the friendship with us because we treasure that friendship so much.
Batunga amashomero 30 sayino nundi munonga kugira ngo ntwereka ngo turiyo tukurakurana ntukura urga teams 13 hati twaba twine teams 30 basanye ko kubanga tuwangu de stopo banga twade tucyagala bategekera kubanda nemu kama bari ratuwati
nabwanyuma abasinguza ba Elite High School na Ndege Secondary School bahirwe biconke birumwe medali hamwe n'ebikopo.
Yeah, our champions. Yes.
Nde Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West Agacencwire.
Thank you members. Yeah.
Webare Ram Edwin nomrebi witu wa TV West murunji nyenda kusima aho turebera hona kandi ago nugo makuru Agacencwire agutwabasa kusyaho izoberi obanaga kusyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa nyoni nkwendezo kurara kurunje.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na You can now get all the chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
bushobozi bw'omuzire n'obwetagwa.